you.
Huh? So today's order of business is we're gonna go ahead and swap out the rear shocks out of the 240 because throughout the years, I mean, they've seen a lot of wear and tear and now they're blown. So really don't want to do it, but I have to. So first order of business is to flip all around the car and get it ready, take out all the tools.
Cualquier oferta es buena si quieres poder. Uy, qué fácil es abrir tanto la boca para opinar. Y si te piensas echar atrás, tienes muchas huellas que borrar.
So she's up in there now. So basically I'm gonna go ahead, take out the 3 bolts from inside, and then I'll go ahead, take out the tires and take out the 17s in the bottom, and that should be it. Alrighty, got my tools. Fucking tired. Get some water. Fucking dying. Kind of regret this. Sometimes I realize I got too fat for shit like this.
Que yo no tengo la culpa de verte caer. Si yo no tengo la culpa de verte caer. Pierdes la fe. Cualquier esperanza es vana y no sé qué creer.
No one ever said this shit's easy. There she goes. Well, I already have the 2 14mm bolts on each side of the strut tower. Upper strut tower, I already took them off, so all that's left is just the 17-inch. I'm gonna go ahead, use impact gun and my breaker bar, but for first I'm gonna go ahead and put a tire underneath the car. You never know, safety first. It's quite hot. Do I regret doing this? Yes. So you can see the strut tower rear strut tower is out. So is this one. Now to lock up my toys and go to the shop. So now go hit up my local mechanic. Hopefully he has time. So I got it all loaded up. I got the KYB XLGs. I couldn't get the Tokitas anymore. For some reason they're hard to find. I did get new mounts. Hopefully they come in handy. About to go to the shop. Hopefully we can get that taken care of. It's always a bitch. Well, I ran into issues today. One, my main jack for some reason can't lift the whole car up, so causing me not to be able to use floor jacks, because I know safety first, right? But in this situation it's kind of, it is what it is. So I have two jacks on each side and the one supporting the pumpkin. Secondary, it's just hot. You know, it's, you know, fucking roasting, but we'll see how it goes. Hopefully we're halfway there. All it is to get the shock swapped out, and then I'll probably just wait until the sun goes down a little bit and put it back. I don't know, I'll see how I feel, but we'll go from there. Well, we're here at the shop. I think the mechanic went to go get something to eat or something. Not here, so guess I'm gonna have to wait. What's going on, guys? Came back from the shop. Pretty much had a mechanic pretty much replace these old bushings. I mean, they're still kind of good, but they're cheap. So basically the shock, it's all in, good to go. So let's go ahead and install one side and see how it goes. It's never easy when you're fat. Basically, two there, one here. Thing. First one went in pretty good, a little tricky. Now think now it's safe to put back the wheels.
Pero olvídame que nadie te haya amado, ya estás otra vez. Déjame que yo no tengo la culpa de verte caer. Si yo no tengo la culpa de ver que entre dos tierras estás y no dejas aire que respirar. Entre dos tierras estás y no dejas aire que respirar. Déjalo ya, no seas membrillo y permite pasar. Y si no piensas echar atrás, tienes mucho barro que tragar. Déjame que yo no tengo la culpa de...
Well guys, I didn't record me tightening everything because it's hot as fuck in here. So pretty much these are gotta tighten these up right here, and then these right here, put back the cover, and pretty much you're good to go, guys. Pretty much she's all done. I went ahead, secured the 17mm bolt once I put the weight of the car on it, retightened the lug nuts, went ahead and tighten up the top bolt and put back the cover. Now I'm gonna take her for a little spin and see how she feels.
Just on note, just allow
Oh, yeah,
center.
yeah, small
So
portion.
yeah, in your front 2 big